So it's time to post data to our database. Alright, so here you can see that we have two edit text, one image, and a submit button. So let's set the reference for all of them. So we have our image button already present over here. So edit text is the next one, which is post title, and edit text post desk. All right, and also a button which is submit button. All right, let's add the reference very quickly. Post title, not so quick it is. Post desk equals what it is, desk field, and lastly submit button equals button dot id dot submit button. So next thing that it should do is, once user clicks on submit button, set on click listener, new on click listener. All right, so we have created the on click listener for this one, and what we are going to do next is start posting. All right, now we need to create this method. Alt enter, create method inside the post activity. All right, so the next thing that we want to do inside here is get the value from title. Title equals, not title, let's say title val, that's the value. Okay, equals post title dot get text dot toString dot trim. All right, so next is desk val equals post desk dot get text to string and trim. This is pretty neat. And one thing that I want to tell you guys is, now in the start posting method, we want to access this URI that user has selected. So what we can do is we just cut it from here, and let's private URI image URI, create a member variable so we can later access inside any of the methods in this class. So here you can notice that we have created the member variable, we have assigned URI to that, and also set the image equals to that. All right, so here let's just set it to null for now. So once the user select, it should then set value to that image URI. All right, so then we're going to do some check over here. So if not text utils dot is empty title val. So if title val is not empty, and next is text utils dot is empty desk value. So even if title and desk both are not empty, and also image URI is not equal to null, only then user should be able to post to the database. So this is pretty tricky, but you'll get it for sure. Next thing that we want to do here, we want to start our uploading process. So what you can do is you can create first thing inside Android manifest, don't forget, uses internet connection. All right, and come back here. So private storage reference storage, and this is going to be our Firebase storage. So storage equals Firebase storage dot get instance dot get reference. So this redirects us to the root directory of our storage. As you can see that this is our root. I'm going to go to the rules and make it accessible for the guest users as well, but you don't want to do that. If you are building a real app, you should always authenticate user and let them post. All right, so we have set the storage reference. Now the next thing we can do is we can create another storage reference over here. and this is going to be the file path where we are storing. So it is going to be equal to mstorage.child, and the child is going to be blog image. All right, blog images. This is the folder, and inside that we want to add mImageURI.lastPath segment. Now this will return us the name of image, but if you want to add too many images and you think that the name should not overwrite each other, you can add some random name to your image. Here you can see that there is one method that I have searched for it to generate random strings. You can use this method to what do you call it, generate a name for your image, but let's just skip for our tutorial over here. But if you want to, make sure that you can always search random string generate for Android, and they'll surely provide you some pre-made methods, but that's okay. Next thing, file path dot put file. As you can see that how we upload is mImageURI on success listener, new on success listener. Now I'm not using again the on file air listener, but if you are building a professional app, you should include that as well, as I told you in previous parts. Now you can get the download URI from here, and that's pretty easy. So all you need to do is URI download URL equals task snapshot dot get download URL. So this provides us the download URL. So next thing that I want to do, add a progress bar, progress dialog, and progress, so that user won't get confused. All right, so hit the play button. Let's test if it uploads. And all right, we haven't even set our progress, mprogress dot set message, and this is going to be posting to blog mprogress. All right, the app is already running. Let's just dot show, and once it gets posted, mprogress dot dismiss. Now let's hit the play button again. It surely will run very quickly. Let's just wait. Installing restart patches. Yep, installed. Add an image, add some title, because right now we aren't posting anything. It's just going to upload it. So hit the submit button, posting to blog, and the progress bar is gone. That means it should have been uploaded. Let's see if we got any error. No error till now, just the token one, the auth. Now you can see that it has created a folder and stored the image inside that. Now all we need to do is use this image and add it to the database, that we will be doing it in the next part.